To make these, we just need some basic art materials like drawing sheets, paints. I'll use gouache today. You can use any paints you want. A waterproof pen, some cutting materials, and some masking tape. We will start by cutting the sheets into two halves. I'm using an A5 sheet. You can use any size you like. Then we'll apply masking tape on the borders. One tip is to place and remove the masking tape from your hand. It prevents the paper from tearing up when you do the tape peel. Also, don't do it more than twice or thrice, otherwise the stickiness will come off. I'll lightly paint the base first, then move to darker shades.
You turned away with a hint of a smile, as if I could reach your...
It's all dried up now. We'll move to darker shades. And we'll work layer by layer and let the previous layer dry completely, otherwise it'll all smudge up.
Of a smile, as if I could reach your mind. I wanted to say words I thought for a while, but I couldn't conjure mine. Bleed out the days till I see you one night now. Under the stars where the willow trees lie, I'm lost in your world, lost in your eyes, 'cause they shine like a diamond. Caught the moonlight, my mind's gone astray, thinking what I should say, but I've never been good with words.
I'll follow same steps for this one too.
I look at you now as you look in my eyes, darling, it feels like home. You held me tight, it took me by surprise. Promise you won't let go. Thought I had found what it's like to be loved. I gave you the world, but it isn't enough. Now I'm lost in your world.
For this, I'll start by sketching out some butterflies first. Remember to place them in the center. Avoid touching the borders. I'll start with applying some water and then spreading the paint.
Stumble home at almost dawn, wishing I was the reckless one. And you had the nerve to shrug. You said, I'm skipping town a couple months. Picked up all your late night calls, took your crumbs, then none at all. Gotta feel disposable. Slide down the door, I second guess. If all this tenderness was even real, I guess that might.
So the next thing is to cut them precisely by the edges. And we do not need to cut this part, the head basically. We need it to be attached. The next thing is to fold them like this.
My Achilles heel was hoping you could see me as more than just the way I make you feel.
I'll start by sketching the character I want to make.
Oh my coyote, you belong to nobody, nobody. So why are you howling, howling to nobody, nobody but me? Made me mixtapes that you think I like.
I'll cut him out now. Our character is ready. We'll cut the strip now. I am taking approximately 1.5 centimeter. You can take whatever you like, but remember to take it smaller than the size of your character. We will fold the strip into half, simply like this, and then paste our character. What you can do is paint this strip also in the color of the character. You can also add tape to make it sturdy. You can make another design for this, like this.
Win my trust and steal my heart just like a thief in the night.
For this bookmark, we need something that has symmetry in it. You will understand why we need this later in the video. So I'll draw a flower. You can draw anything.
And you know the sweetest words to say, up until you're bored of hunting prey. 'Cause what felt like solid gold has slowly turned to rust. Won't be hanging on when you decide to care enough, to care enough.
So my flower is ready. I'll cut it now. Now we need to fold the strip into half. And then we also need to fold the edges, this opening a little bit from both the sides. Also they need to be equal, like this. And then similarly here. So we'll have something like this. This one should open like this.